Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all listening developer. Like previously we have done many of the things using JavaScript and we have done 20 parts of JavaScript and I hope you all enjoy that all 20 parts which we have done yet, and all the 20 parts we have just built the projects here, and in all the 20 parts we have also learned how to just use amazing different tags, and we have also built project using that tag. So today also we will be using a different tag, and today we will be learning about how to use JavaScript functions to build a project, and we will be also using JavaScript function to build an amazing project. I'll be telling you what the project will be, but this video will be really helpful. Remember to see this if you want to learn how to build a JavaScript function project using this amazing function tag here, and we will be also building this project using many other you can say stuff, and this project will be of you can say occurred menu project we'll be building, and we'll be using JavaScript function tag to build this amazing project. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this project, and if you'll be enjoying this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing videos. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just build this amazing project using JavaScript function of accordion menu in JavaScript with JavaScript function. So just like I'm telling you, we were just working with JavaScript function, and like I'm telling you in the starting, we will be building a project using JavaScript function tag. So now we'll be starting to build the project here. So simply I will be opening my VS Code, because from this text editor I will be working and I will be building my project here. So when you open your VS Code, just simply have to close all the files here, then directly go to file and open your folder from desktop with the name of you can say JavaScript functions. This is our folder, and today we are building an accordion menu project here, and this is the starting code. So here I will be copying this and removing all the codes. Press Ctrl B to close side panel. Now here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser to check it is working. So here I will be opening, you can see it is totally empty, not containing anything. So here I will be doing side by side, because like you all know that when I'm building any of the project using JavaScript or any other language, I was working side by side. So now here today also I'll be doing it side by side. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be moving here in this one, paste the starting code here, then save this, and you have to reload. So when you reload, you can see we are getting responsive accordion menu written here, because this is the project which we are building now. So here I will be now closing this, and here I will be removing responsive because it was not responsive. Now it is good. Now you have to just do one thing else, like here I will be moving under this body tag. Then after moving under this body tag, you have to write div class wrapper like this. Then here I will be writing div class parent. Then here I will be writing tab. Then you have to move down, right here input type radio, then right here name, and then I'll be writing here tab id. Then here I'll be writing tab 1. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing checked. Then right here label for, then I'll be writing here tab 1 like this. Then you have to move down, right here span, and then you have to write here accordion, then right here heading 1 like this. And accordion is a thing like when we are pressing anything, so it was just showing paragraph. So like this is the accordion, you can see. So here when you are getting this, you have to move down, right here div class icon, then move here, right here itag class fa dash, then I'll be writing here plus. Now you have to move down, right here div class, then I will be writing here content, move down, right here p tag, and write lorem ipsum random text. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing div class, then I will be writing here parent tab like this. Save this and then reload, and you can see we are just getting, when I'm pressing this minus, so it is moving here, but we have just not put that functionality here. I will be putting it when we will be moving forward. So here I will be now just moving down, right here input radio, then here you have to write here name is equals to tab, then here you have to write id tab 2 like this. Then you have to move down, right here label, so simply here I will be writing label for tab 2. Then you have to write span, so here I will be now writing span, right here accordion heading, then here I will be writing 2. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing div, then here you have to write class icon, then here in center I will be writing itag class fa dash plus. Then here you have to move down, right here div, so simply here I will be writing div class content, then I will be just moving down, right here p tag, and then you have to just write like this, means the starting code of lorem ipsum. Then you have to write here div, so simply here I will be now writing div, then right here class which should be parent tab, then here I will be writing tab 3. Then you have to move down, right here input type radio, then write here name tab, then write id tab 3 like this, then move down, write here label, and then in for I will be writing here tab 3, write here class, and in class I will be now writing is equals to tab 3 again. Then you have to move down, right here span, so here I'll be writing span accordion, then here I will be writing heading 3, then here I will be just moving down, and here I will be now writing div class, then right here icon, then write I tag, and then here I will be writing class which should be FAS FA plus like this. Then when you've written this you have to save, reload. Now you can see we are getting all this thing, and when I'm pressing you can see we are just getting this stuff. Now when you are getting this, here I will be now just doing one thing, you can see we are just getting these all things. And now when you are getting this, here I will be now just doing one thing, like I will be moving down, right here div class, and then here I will be writing content here, then you have to move down, right here div class, then here you have to write child dash, then here I'll be writing tab, then you have to move down and write here input checkbox, then here I will be writing name is equals to sub tab like this, then right here id is equals to tab 4, then you have to just move down, right here label for tab 4, then you have to move down, right here span sub, then here I will be now writing subheading like this, then right here 1, then when you've just done with this I'll be moving down, then here I will be now writing div class, and then here I will be writing icon, then I will be writing here I tag class FAS FA, and then here I will be writing plus, then when you've written this, here you have to just move down after this label tag, then right here div, and then right here class which will be sub content, then I'll be moving down, right here p tag lorem ipsum like this, then I will be moving down, and here after this I'll be writing div class child tab like this, then I'll be moving down, right here input type checkbox, then I'll be writing here name, and right here sub tab like this, then here I will be writing id is equals to tab 5, then I'll be moving down, right here label for, then here I will be writing tab 5 like this, move down, right here span, right sub heading, then here I will be writing 2 like this, then when you've written this, here I will be moving down after this tag, and then here I will be writing div tag, and then when you've written this you have to write class icon I tag, right here class FAS FA, then here I'll be writing plus, save this, reload. Now you can see if I just press this we are getting this menu, but still we are just not, when I'm pressing minus, so it is not going at the top. So here I will be now moving at the front, here you have to move down, right here div class, then I'll be writing sub, then you have to write content, here I'll be writing p tag, write lorem ipsum, then move under 4 divs, write div class parent tab like this, then I'll be moving down, right here input type radio, right here name tab, so here I'll be writing tab, then right here id tab 6, then I'll be moving down, right here label for tab 6 like this, then I'll be moving, right here span accordion, so here I'll be writing accordion like this, right here heading 4, then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving after this tag, then here you have to write div, and then right here class which should be icon, right here I tag class, then I'll be writing FAS FA plus, then when you've written this I will be moving forward, then right here div class content like this, so here I will be writing, then move down, right here p tag, and then right here this, then when you've written this I will be moving down, close this, save this thing, reload. Now here you can see we are getting all this stuff here, and when I'm pressing, so it is working, and this thing is also working, you can see when I'm pressing, and here when I'm pressing this button, so it is moving at the back also, so you can see this was the thing here, and it is totally amazingly working here. When I'm just closing this, it is also closing here, and when I'm pressing, it is also opening. So this is the amazing accordion menu project which we have built, and we have used JavaScript functions to build this project here. You can see these are the functions which is redirecting us to the second menu, then the third, then the fourth, and like this many of the other menus like this small menu, then this big menu, like this we are getting. So this was the amazing project of accordion menu which we have built using JavaScript functions, and I hope you enjoyed this project. If you have enjoyed, understand this, so hit a like and also subscribe on this channel. After this, share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking in future. So I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.